This is insane.
Oh my god. Yes.
It sounds like nothing special, but it's actually a game changer.
Well, that's a new perspective.
Oh shit, here we go again.
The roll axis on the Mini 5 Pro now works completely in every tilted position.
I feel like such a beginner now.
Like, roll axis itself opened up a whole new dimension of controlling the shot. But this is like an extension to that, which gives it another dimension, which is crazy when you think about it. It's like such a small improvement, and DJI didn't even see it like something that's worthy of mentioning. I watched the release video and I thought, oh, so cool. It has a roll now. On the Mavic 4 Pro, the roll axis is technically capable of full 360-degree rotation. But in practice, it's limited by how much the camera is tilted. As you start tilting the camera down or up, the roll range starts to shrink. The deeper you tilt, the tighter the roll becomes. Parts of the housing begin to limit how far the camera can roll. It's not a flaw, it's just physics, and the cost of packing a large camera system into a compact frame. Now compare that to Mini 5 Pro, its gimbal design is radically different. The camera is mounted in a way that isolates the roll axis from the tilt. You can tilt and roll fully and fluidly, without any restrictions. The movement feels natural, almost organic, like the camera is floating completely free in the space. In real-world use, this makes a huge difference. With the Mavic 4 Pro, you're always aware of that mechanical limit. You plan your shoot around it. But with the Mini 5 Pro, those limits practically disappear. You can perform complex spiraling moves or combine tilts and rolls mid-flight without the gimbal locking up or clipping its range. So while the Mavic 4 Pro may still be the heavyweight in image quality and optics, the Mini 5 Pro quietly outperforms it in pure freedom of motion. For filmmakers who love dynamic camera moves and impossible perspectives, that freedom might be the more creative upgrade. And the mini drones do feel safer when you're flying them because, well, lightweight, small, even if you crash it, repair costs are affordable if you have this as a work tool as well. So yeah, you can just earn back the crash. I had to delete all the footage I captured, which is crazy because I got like really amazing shots. I actually discovered this new feature for this drone accidentally while capturing a place that's near a really important military infrastructure. Well, I knew that it's there. I was actually really careful not to get the building in the shot.
I wonder how many people actually use the roll axis control like it was supposed to be used. Wow, well, that's a new perspective. Oh my god, yes, it makes sense.
The building appeared in the shot for about a second or two. Well, that was a discovery for me. I have a new way how to look at everything, and I have like this urge to go to Old Town of Riga and just capture the whole Old Town again. At one point you get sick of it, you know, you have been in every single possible angle. Okay, I'm over exaggerating, but you get the idea. If you capture one city and the Old Town part of it for 10 years, a lot, but this feature will make me feel like a tourist again. So thank you for that, and see you in the next video.